We begin with breaking news. District Attorney Leon Cannizzaro's office says it has received a criminal complaint about mayoral candidate Latoya Cantrell's use of a city credit card.
Because Cannizzaro has endorsed Cantrell's opponent, Desiree Charbonnet, in next month's runoff, he is recusing his office and instead asking the state attorney general to investigate the matter.
Cantrell's campaign says it's a political stunt by the Charbonnet campaign. The complaint involves hundreds of pages of credit card bills and receipts obtained by Eyewitness News. They include almost $9,000 Cantrell charged on a city credit card and later reimbursed with her own funds or money from her campaign. Also, it shows more than $43,000 in unreimbursed charges since 2013, which Cantrell's office says were for legitimate city business.
So what does Latoya Cantrell have to say about all of this?
All right, Jacqueline Quinn just spoke exclusively with the candidate following today's city council meeting, and she joins us live. Jacqueline.
Yeah, it was a long wait to catch her after that city council meeting today, but she was in pretty good spirits to answer a very serious question here. Now, this all came about because of the Desiree Charbonnet campaign. They made a public records request. Since then, we've made our own records request and obtained some of those documents, but it goes back to these purchases, about $9,000 on a city credit card, and they go towards political and personal expenses. So we asked her to explain, how did these expenses, these purchases come about?
Well, first of all, absolutely not. In regards to personal expenses and political expenses, I have been very prudent in my practices as a city council person. I have lived within my budget allocation every single year. I have routine reconciliation processes. The policies associated with the use of credit cards, again, not falling out of line with that as well, always living within the law as well as the boundary.
And she added to us today that this is an attack, but we still have other questions. Why did it take her so long to pay some of these things, especially before she entered the mayor's race? And also, what did she buy? Some of those answers coming up at 6. For now, reporting outside of the City Hall, Jacqueline Quinn, Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Jacqueline.